I absolutely love the Wonky log cabin block. We're gonna use a 10-inch Wonky log cabin trim tool. These come out so fun and just a little bit like me and you.
Yeah, little bit off.
And you're always gonna start with a 2.5-inch strip.
Okay.
Sew down one side, sew down another side.
Imperfect, here
so
we go. Oh,
she's
you can't
just
even
sewn.
tell. Yes, I love it.
We'll add the next side. So we are just going to line this up right here and just see how that square goes right in our center every time. So now we're gonna take and we're just gonna trim.
You can't be worried about wasting fabrics.
No, we're gonna turn this around and we're also gonna turn our ruler around for 1B.
That's awesome. This one is still the center square.
But look what we've done. So now we have our completed Wonky log cabin.
That was magical.
Block.
Magical.
Isn't that great?